If your Xbox Series X turns on, but your TV or monitor says no signal, don't worry. In this video, we'll go from the fastest fixes to the last resort solutions, so you don't waste money on repairs you don't need. Let's get into it. Step 1. Confirm it's not the TV input. Before touching the Xbox settings, make sure your display is actually looking at the correct HDMI port. Use the TV remote and manually cycle inputs. If you're using a monitor, confirm you didn't leave it on DisplayPort while your Xbox is on HDMI. This sounds too simple, but wrong input is the #1 reason people think their Xbox has died. Step 2. Do a proper power cycle. A normal restart doesn't always fix video output glitches, so do a full power cycle. Turn the Xbox off, then hold the power button on the console for about 10 seconds until it fully shuts down. Unplug the power cable from the wall for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn the console on. Step 3. Fix the HDMI chain. Now check your HDMI setup like a technician would. First, confirm your cable is connected to HDMI out on the console. Next, try a different HDMI port on the TV, because one port can fail while the others still work. Then, try a different HDMI cable. Microsoft's own 4K/HDR guidance also emphasizes using the right HDMI cable quality for higher bandwidth modes. Step 4. Bypass AV receivers. If your Xbox runs through a soundbar, AV receiver, HDMI splitter, or capture card, take it out of the chain. Plug the Xbox directly into the TV or monitor with a single HDMI cable. These middle devices can break the HDMI handshake. Once you have a picture directly to the TV, you can re-add the receiver later after changing Xbox display settings to something stable. Step 5. Boot into low resolution mode. If the Xbox is outputting a mode your screen can't handle, you need to force the console into a safe display mode so you can change settings. The common reset display or low-res boot method is fully power down, then boot while holding specific buttons until you hear the second beep, which forces a low-resolution output so most TVs can display it. Step 6. Factory reset. If you can reach the troubleshooting menu, or at least get the display back in low-res mode, a factory reset can fix corrupted settings. If possible, choose the option that keeps games and apps first. If the issue persists, then the full reset becomes the final software-level attempt.